welcome to my channel. Hi, in today's video I will explain you how to work in an Excel sheet. You can see this is a blank Excel sheet where you you have nothing written here. These are columns. This is just a basic information for those who are learning Excel for the first time. These are the columns, and if someone asks you what is the column address, then this is column A, column B, column C, column D, like that. And these are row. In Excel, this is very basic, and you must know that what is column and what a row. Now, when we click and select any cell, this is active cell, and its address is D4, where D is the column and 4 is the row address, like that. And if you want to quickly add column, you have to select the column and press Ctrl Shift and plus key. It will keep on adding columns. However, if you want to add rows, you have to select any row where you want to add another row. For that, you have to select the row and press Ctrl Shift and plus key so that it will add rows. However, this was the keyword shortcut. You can do it manually. Select any column, right click and press insert, and it will add a column. Similar Similarly for row, you have to select any row, insert, it will add the row. So you have learned two basic things like what is a row, what is a column, and how to add a row and how to add a column while you are working on a sheet. Now the next step is to select any numbers of cells and apply border. So when you drag from your mouse and select the area, this is range. You can say it, this is range, and its address is C2 C2, which is here, till G8, which is here. So if you type anything in between this will be range. Now the next step is to understand how to select a range where you can type data. If it is small area, you can drag and select. What will happen if you have to select more and more? You cannot drag and select. For that, you can just press your cursor and bring it to here. Now here, suppose I want to select D100 till A1 to D100. So for that here, you need to type D100 and hold shift key from your keyboard and press enter. Now you can see that from A1 till D100 the cells has been selected, which you can say range. Now I want to apply automatic border here. So here you can apply your border. This is tab where you will use it to work various function in Excel. In home, under this font area, you can adjust your font, this to increase the font and this to decrease the font. If you want to increase the size of complete sheet, select whole sheet and increase its size from here, and you can decrease it from here. Under alignment, you can adjust your text alignment. If you want center, justify, or left or right alignment, you can choose from here. Similarly, like Home tab, every tab has different function which you will learn in further lessons, but mostly you will work in Home tab. And this is called formula bar where you place your formula. Suppose I have some number and I want to add it. So here I want the result. Here you can place equal to, like in calculator you do, and you can select each cell and sum. However, while working in Excel, you will know some fast trick which will help you to save some time while working in Sheet. Here you can see this is the formula which we have placed here. Like that, there are several formulas in Excel which you will use to work in the sheet.